Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, let me discuss about assertAll method and also let me also discuss about the assertTrue and assertFalse with a simple examples. Let me discuss a simple example on assertAll. First of all, before discussing about assertAll, let me discuss a simple example on how to execute the multiple assert equal statements. Public void check number is present or not on a list which takes the integer numbers equal to new sorry list dot of 2 comma 6 comma 8 comma 10 10 assertions dot assert equals expected is 2, the actual value is numbers dot get index of 0. These are the index positions. Here, what I'm doing is I'm checking each and individual number with their index positions, whether the expected value is same as the actual value by getting the index positions at the rate of test. Let me check. Yes, the test has become true. Everything was fine. The test has passed. Instead of writing like this, I'm checking each and every number like this by implementing the assert equals method every time. We can use the assert or assert all that takes the lambda expression assert equals and write these are the executables. Expected was the 2 comma and the actual value should be number the get of 0. Assert equals 4 6 8 10 4 comma numbers dot get of no, one index space, comma assert equals 6, comma numbers dot get the index position 2, comma assert equals 8, comma numbers dot get the index position 3, comma assert equals 10, comma numbers dot get of 4. Everything was fine, like that. First of all, what is the use of assert all method? This assert all method, it always checks all the assertions that are passed to it, no matter how many fail. If at least one fails, you will get a detailed result of the which is went wrong. If any supplied executables, that means these are the executables, throws an assertion error, all remaining executables will still be executed, and all failures will be aggregated and reported in a multiple failures error. Let me run this. Control Shift F10. Yes, the test has been passed. Let me remove this index position 2 and write to something like 9 and run it again. Control Shift 10. Let me see. The test has failed. What is the reason? Array index of number. Get the multiple failures error, and the multiple failures one failure because of array index out of bound. Because here we are having the 4 index positions, that means 5 numbers, but here I have taken the index position as 9. That's why we are getting the array index out of bound. For example, let me change this to and write the expected value as 60. Control Shift F9. Yes, again the test has failed because I changed the expected value. Comparison failed. See here, expected should be 60 and actual is 6. That's right. Multiple failures error. Now, let me discuss a simple example on assertTrue and assertFalse. Let me create a class, Java class, even test. Here in this event test, I am taking the public boolean even or not, that takes the integer value in time. Write the condition if I percentage of 2 double equals to 0, right? Sorry, out number is even and return the value. Return it as true, else sorry number is odd, return false. After creating this in this springboot test application, what I am doing is public void check even or not test. I'm taking the method like this. After this, assertions dot, one second, event test event test equal to new event test. Now assertions dot assert true by using the event test dot check even or not and pass the number 6 annotated at the rate of test. Now check the condition. Here what I have did is I have taken the event test class and written the logic that the number should become true if and only if it satisfies this condition, and if it is even then it will return the true, otherwise it will return the false. And I have called this into here and pass the 6 number by using the assertTrue. What this assertTrue will do? Let me check. Let me run control shift. Yeah. Control shift F10. Check even or not. The condition, the test has passed. What this assertTrue will do? This assertTrue method will check whether the condition is true or not. If the condition is true, the test will pass. For example, here it satisfies because 6 is even now. That's why the assertTrue function satisfied and the test has been passed. For example, in the assertTrue condition, if I had taken 7, which is odd number, control shift F10, if I run it, what it will do is the test has failed. Check even or not. The test has failed. The test has failed. That's what about assertTrue. For example, let me take the assertFalse. 6. Assert false. If it is even number, if this is even number, the condition should return true, because the logic here is, if this satisfies, it returns the true because the number is even, and if the number is odd, it will return it as false. But here I have given the input as 6, that means it is true because the number is even. But here I have taken the assert false. What this assert false method will do? Control Shift. See here, check even or not. The condition has failed because of assert false. What this assert false will do? This assert false method will check whether the condition is false or not. That means the condition should fail. If the condition is false, the test will pass. For example, here I have entered the 7. That means the condition is false because here the logic is, if it is even, it should return true, and this is not even number, so initially it will return false. The condition has failed, so the condition has failed now. Then this assert false method will pass the test. Control Shift. See here, check even or not. The condition has been passed. That's all about the today's in this session, this video. That's all about assertall, assertTrue, and assertFalse methods. In the next video, we will discuss about some other annotations, and we will make sure that we will complete all this initial testing sessions. Thanks. Thank you.